We will begin with the second period of our lesson, the way the world looks. By implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation, let's engage our students in some exciting hands-on activities in this session as well as in the upcoming ones. As informed at the end of our previous video, these activities, when paired with an inquiry-based approach, will lead our students to understand the concepts of making cubes with 4 painted faces and 5 painted faces and 6 faced cubes from given nets and identifying and drawing 3D objects. For our first activity, we are required to make a dice out of paper at home and bring it to the classroom. The dice can be made by cutting and folding a sheet of paper into a cube as shown. In addition to this, we will need to arrange and keep some other required materials ready with us, such as a cuboidal box, 5 thick sheets of paper, and some safety scissors and Fevicol. So now, let's initiate the first activity through which we will be explaining the concept of making 4-faced, 5-faced and 6-faced cubes from given nets. Display the dice that we made out of paper to the students so as to introduce them to the concept of cubes. Make sure to display all the sides of the dice. Then, open the folded edges of the dice in front of the students to introduce them to the net of a cube as shown. Display it to the students and ask them to observe it carefully. This will aid in enhancing their observation skills. Then, proceed to draw the net on the blackboard and ask the students to copy the same in their notebooks. Once they are done, inform the students that they are now going to make a similar dice in groups by forming cubes from given nets. Begin by dividing the students into 5 groups. Provide each group with a thick sheet of paper, safety scissors and Fevicol. Then ask the students in each group to draw the net on their sheets of paper. Ask the students to cut the net out carefully and to color the faces with different colors as shown. After this, ask the students to mark the numbers from 1 to 6 on each face, such that the digits on the opposite faces of the dice add up to 7. Once that is done, the students must paste the edges properly to make a cube. This activity will aid in developing the students' critical thinking skills as they try to measure the appropriate length or width required to make the dice. Give the students time to make the dice and guide them whenever required. Tune in to our next video where we will continue the activity with some questions to lead our students further with the concept of 3D objects.